Okay everyone, so welcome to this video. It's been a little while since we've done a video on the site, but just want to remind you that any videos that or any information that you're looking for preschoolers, teaching kindergarten children, or fun activities for you to do with your kids at home, you can be sure to go to our website, preschoollearningonline.com. And while you're on this video, watching this video, be sure to subscribe and like the video and share it if you can. It helps us to rank better in the algorithm on YouTube, and we can share some good activities and fun ideas for parents and educators to teach kids and preschoolers. Okay, so today I thought I'd try this at-home science experiment, creating a lava lamp. A simple way for you to show kids how certain chemicals or certain substances react with other substances, and it's a cool activity. So we're going to see how it goes today, and we're going to try a simple little experiment with some vegetable oil, some denture cleansers, a little bit of water, and some food coloring. And we're going to be making a at-home lava lamp, okay, for you to try with your kids, which should get some really neat reactions. Okay, so let's give it a try and see what happens. So what you want to do is you want to get a clear glass. In this particular case, because I want something clear, I'm just using a wine glass. But if you have like a vase or a little bit larger glass that's clear, you can use that. So you want to take the wine glass, and you want to take it and fill it with about a third or just over a third of the way with water. Okay, preferably warm water, because the denture cleanser, or you can use Alka Seltzer to get the reaction. Alka Seltzer is recommended, but it's going to respond quicker with warmer water than it is with colder water. So we'll get to that in a minute. So once you've got the water in there, you've got about a third of the glass full. Then you're going to want to take your vegetable oil or your oil. You're going to want to fill the rest of the glass with the vegetable oil. Maybe not quite to the top, but close. And you're going to want to supervise when you do this as well with your kids, so that they don't knock the glass over. You don't want any accidents. You don't want a mess, for one thing, but you also don't want any broken glass. So it's a good idea for you to be there when your kids are doing this, so that you can supervise them and that everybody's safe and that there's no problems. Okay, so we've got our glass. We've got it filled with about 1/3 or just over 1/3 of water. And then we've got the vegetable oil, which you can clearly see is sitting on top of the water, because obviously it floats on top of the water, okay, which is going to help to give us the effect for our lava lamp experiment for this science activity. And we can see what types of cool reactions we get with this lava lamp. You're going to want to take your food coloring, and we're going to find a color here that we want to use, preferably something bright, like a red or a blue or a green. And we'll see if I can get them out of the package here. So let's take some blue. drop in multiple drops. Of the coloring that we want. You want to put enough in there. And should we stick with just the one color? You know what? You could stick with one color. I'm going to throw in some red. And we'll see what... I won't put as much red in, but we'll put a few drops of red in there. And once you've got your coloring in there, you want to get your tablet. So let me get a tablet out. So I've got my tablet out. My Alka Seltzer is recommended for this, but I couldn't find any Alka Seltzer in my particular area where I was, so I'm going to put in a denture cleanser tablet. Should have the same effect, and we'll see what happens. You can already see that it's starting to do something. And you can see that this is the reaction now taking place. The water being on the bottom, the oil floating on the top, and then with the coloring that we put in there, it's creating this effect of a lava lamp. And this is going to continue to do this until the tablet runs out. And then of course at that time, if you want to, you can just add another tablet. And you can keep this effect going for as long as it's keeping your kids entertained, keeping the children in your class entertained or your children at home. It's kind of a cool experiment. It's simple to do. Creates this cool effect. Children can observe it and see what it does, and it kind of gives that lava lamp effect. It's really simple, and it's just a fun science experiment for kids. So again, that's all that's involved. Try it with your kids. You can try them. You can make multiple ones and try them with different colors. You could try to have the kids write down the things that they're seeing that are happening, or just have them sit and watch it. You could try different amounts of oil to different amounts of water and see what type of effects you get. But it's kind of a cool experiment, similar to a lava lamp. So hopefully you found that interesting, you found that fun, and it's a quick little science activity that you can do with your kids. Be sure to hit the like button, and we will see you on our preschool website or back on our YouTube channel here as we add more videos. Thanks.